Alright, so we're back with more for Project 944. Today we are going to do some fuel system stuff, some maintenance things. The car has been sitting for a little while, so not entirely sure some of the condition of some of the components. So we are going to replace the strainer in the fuel tank and the fuel filter. So we're going to get started on that now. So, not a whole lot of information other than what I've seen online on this. So I believe this panel here, screw here, should just pull these off, and that will give us access, should give us access to where that fuel strainer is. There we go. Hopefully, everything I've seen should actually be as simple as that. I'm going to set this down for a second. There we go. So you got the fuel strainer there, the fuel hose that goes into the pump. We're also going to be replacing the fuel filter up there. So we're going to first I did get a new one of these hoses just because of not knowing condition. Figure better safe than sorry. So we're going to take a couple of flathead screws on there, and we're going to drain whatever is left in the tank out of there and see what we get. Clamp it off here. Quite a bit of fuel. It actually doesn't look terrible. I expected much worse. Really not too bad. Most of the debris in the bottom there is actually from a pan being used before. But, not too terribly bad. So let's see if we can drain this and go at it again. Alright, there we go. Now we got the fuel drain. Let's take this hose off. peasy there. It's a 17 mil right on there. Damn, nice and easy. Moment of truth. See how this thing looks. Not too bad. Definitely seen other users that have shown much worse. So that's not too bad. I'm okay with that. Tells me there's a chance that this thing was actually properly maintained. So got the new one here. filter is in. Strainer is in. I'm going to leave this open for right now just because I want to put fuel in the tank and make sure there's no leaks anywhere. And then we can go from there.